Nomad ERP Commerce, the shopping cart application that integrates with virtually any ERP solution, providing you with one set of complete and accurate information. Nomad is built to create a free flow of information on your site, so all information updated in your ERP is automatically reflected in your e-commerce storefront. What makes Nomad different? What makes it so efficient? It's all in how Nomad manages your data. Let's start by going to our back office, often referred to as the content management system, which is the application to manage a website. We call this NOPS, which stands for Nomad Operations, and it allows your site manager or your marketing person the ability to easily manage the website without having to be very technical. On NOPS, the first thing you'll see are your different pages, such as products and categories. And this is where we're very efficient. The management of your products, the management of your category, which is essentially your product catalog, as well as your content pages and your system pages. Looking at the product pages first, you can see here 4 product pages on the website. At any given time, you can click here, and this will pop up the storefront, which is actually the front end of the site that customers would be viewing. All of these product pages are associated to an item or set of items that are coming from your ERP. So when you go to a product page, you can easily see that you can manage the name of it, the URL or the path, the parent page from where you get to it, which is your catalog, and manage how you want your customer to find this product. Do you want to require a logon to see this? Now if you click back over to Products tab, this is where the ERP is being associated in synchronizing all this data. The client connection, which is working throughout the day as data is changing on your server and your side, the back office where your ERP is automatically replicating all this data. In this example, there's an item number from the ERP that's number 100 with a regular price of $4,400. If we click on this item, this is more of the details that are coming from the ERP automatically as the data is changing. Now let's show you a big differentiator of how we've developed this solution. Again, this solution was developed to connect to an external database and not be a standalone solution or e-commerce or web content management solution. This is an external ID, which is external identification. That's important because that's how Nomad maps everything to the back end. What is the identification? What's the item number in this case that's coming from the ERP, so we know exactly how to map everything to the back office. The regular price, unit of measure, weight, that's all coming from the ERP. This is where you would see all of the different price combinations by customer, price level, and quantity. And all of that's automated. We have clients that have 200 to 300 prices for one item based upon all the different combinations of the customer. And the nice thing about that is that that's all syncing, which creates a tremendous time savings. Managing that data on your ERP once, Nomad automatically synchronizes all of it to your front-end website. Clicking back to the Info tab, when you have an ERP system and you want to let customers enter orders, it's important to put limitations on what can be done. Fields like the minimum quantity, sold in multiples of, and initial display give you that control. Quantity available is automatically being updated. So as your data is changing and your inventory in stock data is changing, so is your availability. An added feature here is the in-stock and out-of-stock messaging. In this case, -2 is the quantity available, meaning you have more orders than you have inventory in stock. So this indicates when an item is out of stock. Since that number is -2, whatever you have here is going to show up on the website. If in stock, this in-stock message would appear. You can display that quantity available within the message. So within your in-stock message, you can indicate a specific amount in inventory. For example, 5 are in stock and ready to ship. And that number would change automatically based on what's available. If we see this item associated with this page, this is how it looks on the front end. You can actually see the item number, the quantity, discount that was associated, a description, if you wanted to upload a document or show specifications. Marketing data or tags that may not be used within the ERP itself can go here. What's the best use for this item? What's the suspension, the crankset? And what is the long description of this product? Most of this marketing data doesn't exist, and that's where we come in and allow you to add ancillary information to this ERP data very efficiently. Next, navigating to Content Products. This is a listing of products. This demo features 5 items, but clients have product listings and inventory in the tens of thousands, all automating in and out of their ERP. Now you may not want those items on your website all the time, and that's where the product pages again come into play. Which of these items do I want on the website? You can see assigned, which indicates what shows and what does not. So in this example, all 5 items are assigned to a product page that we're selling online. Now let's take a look at the Fulfillment tab. If I click on the customers, I'm able to see some information that's coming from the ERP. The customer name, the address information, payment terms, which is very important in the checkout. How does this customer pay you? Are they net 30? Are they credit card? We automatically know based upon your data from the ERP on that customer how they should be paying you. Customer Documents shows orders from the website, as well as orders that are entered in the ERP directly. This information would also appear on the website for the customer. So if somebody is calling in or faxing or emailing in an order and you put it into the ERP, if that customer goes to your website, 10 to 20 minutes later, they're going to see that order there. They're going to see updates and tracking and statuses of that order automatically. To learn more about what Nomad can do for your business, contact us today to schedule a demonstration.